Welcome back, YouTube. Hope you're having a good day. It is time to dig in and look at what Nancy Pelosi and Warren Buffett out there have been buying. I always say, do your own due diligence. Get out there, make sure you're looking at the fundamentals, the technicals, put it all together, and you can find the best stocks to buy. Now, if you have not done it, hit the like button, crush it, smack it, whatever you want to do. But more importantly, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And of course, put FF in the comments down below. It stands for financial freedom. That is our journey. And of course, some of these people I'm going to be talking about, Warren Buffett, who is retiring. I think today is it. This is it. It's official. He is retired. And of course, Nancy Pelosi, two of the leading investors in this country. I don't know what they know that we don't, but man, they crushed it. But they have been buying one stock in particular at the same time, as well as some massive Warren Buffett plays. So I thought today would be a fun day to do the best stocks to buy now. Warren Buffett, Nancy Pelosi edition, really focusing on some of Warren Buffett's last moves as the leader of Berkshire Hathaway. Man, talk about just... really, time never stops. Of course, you guys know that. He learned from Benjamin Graham. One of my favorite books I used to teach in my class. I'd make the kids read this. It was called The Intelligent Investor. And I would have my students read this book. It was absolutely, he was one of the professors for Warren Buffett. That's a book you can get out there. I believe you can go right online and read that right now. There's a lot of good things, okay? And of course, as time continues to march forward, we need to find the best plays we can. So let's see if we can jump on the coattails of their last plays and make a few bucks. One of them, I'm already in, and we'll see how that works out overall. But yeah, a lot of things going on. Before we hit it, make sure you get into the Discord and get into our masterclass on technicals. First link down below gets you into the masterclass. We have it on sale right now with code LEARN for a few more days. You can learn how to do the technicals by me, by a national champion, investor / coach / teacher, 2-time. And of course, we have the options and the crypto. It took me a year apiece for all three of these. We have a bundle right now that knocks almost $1,000 off, plus code LEARN for the holidays. We'll knock another $425 off. You'll get lifetime access to all three courses. Get in there today if you buy the bundle. And of course, I will be live stream trading over in the membership in the earner tier. So click the second link, put in code WEALTH at checkout, and you will be able to join with 50% off your first month. Take advantage of that for a limited time too. So now let's go ahead and look at Berkshire. And this is it. We got, one more filing we're going to be able to look at before, he's retired, but he's made his last moves over the last 12 weeks. But I wanted to start. Google, new position. This is the latest filing I was able to get to see what Buffett is doing. And in doing this, I found that he took a new position in Google. Well, Google is one of my absolute favorite stocks to buy now. So much so I actually did. And I'm going to continue to buy. I believe Google is going to lead the race in AI. I know they're doing their chip building. Obviously, Berkshire Hathaway did their research as well, seeing a lot of the same things I'm seeing in terms of trying to find the best stocks to buy now. It's not easy to do. A lot of people come out here, hey, what do we got? What's going to lead the way? We got the up and coming growth stocks, this, that, and the other thing. But don't sleep on the big dogs. The big dogs out there have the capital to go into these new sectors, the AI, and now they're going into the chips and everything else. There's a lot of potential there. And of course, don't ever sleep on that revenue they get from search, ads, all that stuff. They're just a monster house of a company, so much so I want to put my money into it. And so we go over and we take a look. Let's take a look at Alphabet, aka Google. And we're going to look at the insights. I kind of want to go through the insights of all these different stocks, these different top stocks to buy now that I have for my annual list here to start out the new year, because I am looking to load up my portfolio. You guys know I look at crypto, but I have a ton of stocks as well. So today I wanted to do a nice best stocks to buy now video. It's been a while. And so when we come in here, you'll see the one thing that I kind of want people to pay attention to. The market cap is up there. It's 3.79 trillion. So this company has been growing slowly and steadily for years and years and years. Take a look 5 years ago. You would have said, Mo, it's $100 a pop. There's no way this stock can go. It's a $1 trillion company. And that was back in 2021. It's $1 trillion. And I remember people saying it. There's no way. To double $1 trillion means it goes to 2. And I remember in 2021. And I remember in 2022 when it dropped, everybody said, I told you it's under $1 trillion now. And now, look where we're at. It is now $3 trillion. We went from under $1 trillion to over $3 trillion. So when you look at companies like this who are going to absolutely dominate, and remember, AI is just getting started. And these massive quantum computing, all this and everything else involved, Google, I believe, has a chance to absolutely dominate in some, especially AI. I think they're going to surprise people. And when you have AI in everything, and it will be in everything, whoever is leading that race stands to make a ton. Now, we know that Google did well, took a lot of market share away from ChatGPT. I believe that continues moving forward. I have used them all, and I can tell you point blank, I absolutely love Gemini. To me, the latest update was leaps and bounds. Crazy good. So much so that after I was done, I was like, this is a game changer. Like, this is it. And so I started investing into it. And I know the high price, PE of 30, not bad compared to some of the competitors that are even higher. So I get it's a little high, but I think the potential growth moving forward is massive. And so I'm going to go for it. I'm going to continue to DCA into it. And that I'm not alone in that. I'll say it again. So you're hearing why I did it. But remember, so did Warren Buffett. And so did, right here, Pelosi, Alphabet, Google. They did as well. And so Nancy Pelosi jumping in there, getting Alphabet / Google, Broadcom, Amazon, NVIDIA, Tempest. So you got all these different tech companies she's buying. And what I caught in order, though, was that you had Alphabet being bought by her, and you got Warren Buffett buying Alphabet, Google. So to me, I already could see it. I like to buy what I use, what I know. To me, Google was one of the best stocks to buy now. It does make me feel better as I go and look at the millionaires and billionaires and trillionaires and see that they're buying Google as well. I'm not going to fight that one. That's kind of the confirmation I'm looking for when they got resources that I don't. They got knowledge that I don't in terms of what they have access to. And when you see all that and they say, you know what, I'm putting my money in it, that makes me feel good. So let me know what you think about the first stock that I just showed you, the best stocks to buy now of Google. Are you in it? Are you selling it? Do you think too high, too low? What do you think? I'm always interested in that. Moving on to the next one now. So I showed you Alphabet. What else did Warren Buffett buy, one of his latest buys, that he consider, he wouldn't buy it if he didn't consider it the best stocks to buy now. He looks for value. We know he looks for value. And so he added on Chubb. Chubb, 3-star by Morningstar, as of November 14th. So when we come in here and we look at Chubb, I'll pull that up. So I want you guys to see this. This is Chubb. And look at that PE, 12. Folks, anything under 15 to me is value. That is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a PE ratio under 15. Forward goes down to 11. That's even better. So this is 12 down to 11 next year. A very solid one. And that's kind of what I'm looking for. Look at the dividend, 1.24%. Google, little dividend, 0.27. You're not getting a lot. I have mine reinvested back in. But you go to Chubb, look at that PE is just absolutely fantastic. And that's what you're kind of looking for. Price to book ratio, 1.72. Earnings yield, 7.84. You go over the earnings yield for Google, obviously 3.28%. Price to book 9. It's really up there, right? That we're buying the potential of Google. We are buying that it's going to absolutely dominate a sector that's going to be crazy big. And I think they're gonna. So next on the list, it's making me hungry even bring this one up. Domino's. Domino's, he adds to the existing position he already has. Domino's Pizza, are you kidding me? I remember back in the day. I remember 30, 40 years ago getting a Domino's Pizza late at night, enjoying it with pepperoni. I'm not an animal. I want a little pepperoni on there. How'd you eat your pizza back in the day? Let me know in the comments, folks. I got pepperoni pizza, some of them buffalo bites, man, it was money. It was money. So we go over and take a look at Domino's. How good is this one compared to Chubb? Is this the best stock to buy now? Top stock to buy now of the ones? Well, the PE is a little higher. 23.99, forward PE at 22, dividend 1.67. It's okay. It's decent. He sees it. He's adding to it. He likes it. There's potential. We go to the 1 year. You can see go to the 5 year. We had a big pump up, big price down. Big pump up, big price down. Big pump up, big price down. Looks like it's setting up for that next leg higher. I like it. It's not at 15. I like 15 for the PE, or forward PE even. This is 22, but it's good. It's not bad. So that's one he's been adding on. Can't say I blame him. Lennar, 4 stars. Let's go ahead and take a look. We'll get over here at Lennar. Boom. And 9.83. Now we're talking. Now this is what I'm talking about. So you get in here. Look at this. 9.83. 4P 15. We don't like it going backwards. That's why you're seeing this price absolutely get crushed. From 141, we're down to 100. So this thing's lost 30-something%. Price to book 1.16. Solid. Price to sales 0.75. Earnings yield 10%. The numbers look good. We just don't want to see that price to earnings going backwards. Earnings per share, $10 a share. Not bad. Very, very decent. I like it. I can understand when you have temporary weakness and you got that price dropping from 140 all the way down to 100, and you look over, let's say, the last 5 years, you see that bottom here, bottom here, bottom here. We have a triple bottom right now. So if you're looking for an opportunity, and you're saying, give me a time when this stock is near bottoms over the last few years, this is it. So in other words, I like it at this price. This one really, really, it's interesting to me. All right, we go over year to date this year. You'll see we're back down to those lows again. Everybody's fearful on it. It's dropped tremendously. Could be an opportunity. So I wanted to bring that up as one of the best stocks to buy now. Obviously, you got Warren Buffett jumping in. You got the revenue dropped a little bit. We're sideways now, going back up. Earnings, you can see the earnings slightly increasing. What do we get there? Earnings 3.89 last year. Year before 3.89. Year before 4.56. So it did drop a little bit, stabilize. We'll see how they do at the end of this year. Price targets are looking much better. 168 and the average price target 118. The low of 21% off there. We don't want to see that, but that's what we're looking at. You guys can let me know if you like this type of video too. A little bit different than I'm doing lately. This is a throwback to my old style of looking for the best stocks to buy now. We move on. We move on. Lamar advertising. How many? I don't know if they're all over the country, but I drive down Northeast United States down to the South, and I see Lamar, little green Lamar advertising everywhere. Obviously, he has been adding on to that one as well. So we got the 1 year. We got the PE 29, forward PE 21. Wow, that's fantastic. Look at this. Earnings 388 million, 438, 495, drop down 362. Revenue keeps going up though. And so the price increases. You can see what they got here. Average target has 8.7% higher. Not a lot of insider selling, which is good. I like it. Go out to the 5 year. We have a little bit of weakness right now. Good time to jump in. Good time to jump in. I like it. Look at the dividend too, 4.9%. That is a solid dividend. This is one of them ones I really, really like this one. I think there's a good amount of potential there. Advertising never goes away. Buffett knows that. He sees good value there. And revenue continues to increase. So that's a good company. SiriusXM, Siri. Let's go ahead and check that out. Boom. Look at this one. I always talk about the PEs. 6.8, 6.35. Earnings per share, 2.78. Fantastic. Look at the dividend, 5.39. Like, this is a value play, bar none. Bar none. Look at this. Buying, insider buying. This is no joke. They are low. You know, one of the biggest signs I tell people to look for, if you see insiders buying, they see value. If you see insiders selling, be afraid. But if you see them buying, that should tell you something. Earnings absolutely collapsed last year. That was the weakness. You saw this run all the way down. Where were we at? 25 bucks. Now we're down to 20% clip off of there. We're down at that low where it usually holds. I like it. I like it. Buffett likes it. We should consider doing our due diligence, see if this is one of the best stocks to buy now. Do we jump in on this thing or do we let it run? You know, I like this one a lot. I got one I'm going to add in. This is Stockmo's best stocks to buy now. I like Bank of America. And I got to tell you, this is one I've been watching. Forward PE right now of 12, solid 2%. It's not bad. And I'll throw one more for you to look at that I really like. My old employer, American Express, a little bit pricier, dividends a little lower. Solid company, though. I really do like that one. But Bank of America right now, really, really looking good. American Express as well. I know Buffett has some American Express. That's another one. So you guys can take a look at all these. Let me know what you think. Now, if you haven't done it, I'll say it again. Get over and get the course so you can learn how to do the technicals. That is the first link. The holiday promo is almost done. You could use code LEARN right now to save a ton, $425 off any purchase there. So get in there, first link. Second link, I will be live day trading on Friday. You can learn. It's private. It's only for the earner tier in my Discord. Click that first link. Put in code WEALTH once you sign up for the earner tier, and you'll save 50% off your first month. That is the way to do it. All right, folks, let me know what you think about this video. Did you like it? Did you like the stocks? Out of the stocks I named, give me your top two. And if I didn't name your top two, put your top two down below so I can look at it. Maybe I'll put it in the video. All right, folks, I appreciate it. I'll see you in the Discord. Be sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get out there and make some money.